In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Adobe Lightroom free trial the easy way, step by step, so you can get started quickly and safely. If you've been wanting to test Lightroom before paying for it, this guide will walk you through the best official method from Adobe's website. It only takes a few minutes, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to start the trial, install the app, and what to watch out for before billing begins. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Adobe Lightroom page. Make sure you're on Adobe's real website so you're downloading the correct version and avoiding any unsafe third-party sources. Once the page loads, look for the free trial button and click it. Adobe usually places this near the main product information, so it should be easy to spot. After that, Adobe will ask you to sign in. If you already have an Adobe account, just enter your email and password. If you do not have one yet, you can create a new Adobe account in a few seconds by following the on-screen prompts. This account is needed because Adobe uses it to manage your trial access and Creative Cloud downloads. Once you're signed in, Adobe will begin the download process through the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. If Creative Cloud is not already installed on your computer, Adobe may ask you to download that first. This app is what handles the Lightroom installation, so let it finish downloading and open it when prompted. From there, the Creative Cloud app will start downloading Lightroom automatically. When the download is complete, click Install and wait for the setup to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Once installed, open Lightroom and sign in with the same Adobe account you used for the trial. At that point, your free trial should be active and ready to use. Now here's the important part. Adobe's Lightroom free trial usually lasts 7 days, and in many cases, you'll need to enter a payment method to activate it. That means if you do not want to be charged, you should cancel before the billing date ends. Always double check the trial terms on Adobe's website so you know exactly when the trial expires and what happens next. So to recap, go to the Adobe Lightroom page, click free trial, sign in or create an Adobe account, download through Adobe Creative Cloud desktop, and then install Lightroom. Just remember to watch the trial length and payment requirements so there are no surprises later. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.